Hi friends, in today's session we're going to write and solve two-step equations involving rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are any number that can be written as a fraction. So all of the numbers we're used to are regular whole numbers, our integers, which include our negative numbers, anything that can be written as a fraction, or even things that can be written as terminating or repeating decimals are considered rational numbers. So for our example, we're going to look at a word problem where Erin's going for a walk. Erin walked 1 1/4 miles on Sunday. Erin walked 3/5 miles each day for the next several days. She walked a total of 6 1/20 miles. How many days did Erin walk 3/5 miles? So the first step when you're solving a word problem is always to read the word problem. After you read the word problem, then you need to go ahead and identify the important information, whether that's underlining or circling the important information that you are taking away from the word problem. So what I feel is important is that Erin walked 1 1/4 miles. She walked 3/5 miles each day for the next several days. So when she walked 1 1/4 mile, that was just on Sunday. Erin also walked a total of 6 1/4 miles, which is also important. And then the last thing underlined in purple is how many days did Erin walk 3/5 miles? That last part there, the question, is letting us know that what we're solving for is the number of days that Erin walked 3/5 miles. So that'll be our let statement. We'll let x in our plan, let x equal the number of days that Erin walked. Our constant, the thing that's only happening to Erin one time, is that she walked 1 1/4 miles. Then we have our coefficient, the thing that's happening over and over again. And because of that keyword each, I know 3/5 miles is our coefficient. It's what's going to be multiplied by our variable x. And then our total, the total miles that Erin walked, is 6 1/20 miles. So our equation to help us find the number of days that Erin walked 3/5 miles is 1 1/4 plus 3/5 times x equals 6 1/20. Now that we've read, identified important information from the word problem, and created a plan to help us solve it, we can go ahead and solve this. First, we always start by canceling out the constant, so we're going to subtract. And we'll subtract 1 1/4 on both sides of our equation. On the left side of the equation, it cancels out. And now we have a new equation, 3/5 x equals 24/5. And that's when we complete the subtraction, 6 1/20 minus 1 1/4. Now we have to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3. And when we multiply that on both sides, it cancels out on the left. And now we have x by itself. And when we multiply 24/5 times 5/3, we get x equals 8. So now that we've solved the equation, we can state our solution. Erin walked 8 days